Hello developers, I hope you have a wonderful day. Welcome to gilgeekify. My name is Said Kohansol, and in this video I'm gonna create a live username checker from a JSON file using vanilla JavaScript. You can use this widget in your registry or sign-up forms or anywhere you want. You can check that username is available to submit or exists in your database. Now I'm using a JSON file as a database. And in my next video, I will use a real MySQL database and connect this username field with that. Also, I show you how to create a PHP and MySQL API to check in username field data with the usernames list in your database. I will add a live demo link and source code link inside the description, so you can download and use it in your project. If you enjoy my content, please like this video, click the subscribe button and turn on notification for future videos. Thanks. Let's start from scratch. I'm gonna create some HTML elements, some titles and the text input field for the username. Okay, now let's add some CSS. Okay. Well, and it's my username list JSON file. First, let's add some dummy usernames inside it. Okay, now I have a list with dummy usernames. Let's start the JavaScript. As a hint, that's how we can access arrays in JavaScript. I'm gonna get the username input field and define a username checking function. Then call my username checker function with a path to the JSON file as a parameter. I make a fetch request with a get method and getting the JSON file. And this parameter is a path to the username list JSON file. To check the value from the username input in HTML with the usernames in the JSON file, I should convert both of them to lowercase to compare them. I'm using onInput event on username input. So each time the username value changes by users typing or pasting data, I convert that value to lowercase to compare that with usernames in the JSON file. Now I have both data in lowercase, so I can compare them. Let's define a switch case statement with 3 conditions and change CSS by every condition. When the username input value is empty, that means I should change styles to default. When the username exists in the JSON file, that means the username is locked. And when the username does not exist in the JSON file, that means the username is free. Okay, now let's check that. Everything is working fine and smoothly. I used transition in my CSS, and as you can see, every color or background color is changing smoothly. Thank you for watching this video.